Hi friends, today I'm in San Francisco, California. These are the sea lions and they're known for their loud barking and their playful nature. That's the Alcatraz jail over there. It's where prisoners used to be. And here are some sea lions that are sleeping. And here are the sea lions that are awake, barking loudly. And look at the landscapes near the jail.
We're just gonna need your credit card.
Those are the seagulls. They stay near the beach side or the seaside. They usually eat worms and insects as their food. Here is the sea lion that just woke up a minute ago, while the rest are sleeping. The males are about 7 feet and the females are about 6 feet. Those are little sailboats and ferries going to the jail. Bye.